Hello everyone, my name is Riandi Karastuayu Ramadhani and I will gonna talk about juvenile delinquency. As we know and realize, today is so much going on so-called juvenile delinquency. Various negative or deviant acts committed by teenagers seems to be considered by them as a mediocre and some even consider it as an honor. They say it shows a symbol of courage. This is very alarming. This is a social problem that is infecting our youth today, that deviant behavior is often referred to juvenile delinquency. We all know that now is a lot of juvenile delinquency, with a lot of negative behavior in society. Example, such as smoking, and even more dangerous is trying drugs at an early age. Although initially only tried it, but eventually became addicted, leading to addiction. There are many some factors that can cause of juvenile delinquency. The first, lack of affection from their parents. I think many parents are busy to work and forget to their children to give affection to their children, so their children feel not comfortable to stay in the home and try to get out to get happiness. The second, lack of education about religion. So many teenagers join in the free intercourse. The third, bad environment also can influence. And the last, there is a problem that makes teenagers stressed. Many teenagers have bad habits, from playing truant, trying to smoke, consuming the drug, free intercourse, and free sex. So juvenile delinquency has many negative impacts for teenagers' future. In addition, this can occur because of the factor that support behavior change among adolescents. For example, lack of parental love, lack of parental supervision, association with bad friends, the role of development of science and technology that has an impact, absence of personality guidance from lack of religious basic, the absence of media for censoring his talent and hobbies, excessive freedom, and buried problem. Try to understand about the religion significance, so religion can guide you to the right path. You will understand which is right or wrong for you if you can follow your faith. The second thing is strengthen your bond with your family members. The family role in the effort of drug prevention is very enormous. Parents are the first teacher for their children, so I encourage you to be a smart father and mother for your children in the future. Parents should nurture the children to be a responsible human. Parents will always direct the children to do positive things. All that we can do is to follow and be obedient to their direction. Parents know what is right or wrong for us, so if our parents limit our activities or social life, please understand that they are doing that because they love you. The third factor that will lead into teenager delinquency is friends. Some of us might be spending more time with friends instead of family. Slow but sure, your behavior will be affected by your friends. Moreover, teenagers have high curiosity, therefore it is very dangerous to be friends with friends who like to do negative things. Last but not least, we will be categorized as a geeky or outdated. Some teenagers assume that they are cool if they try to smoke, drugs, or brawl. We might be friends with many people, but we still have to be careful also in choosing friends, so it does not fall. Example of wrong association, such as brawl between students, motorcycle gangs, and also drunk. Many of these things can cause casualties, both from adolescents and even involving other citizens or communities. Therefore, stay away from this wrong association because it will only hurt yourself. Do not forget to use adolescence as well as possible, as filled with a variety of positive things to be useful for yourself, parents, and also our nation. The fact is staying away from juvenile delinquency is not an easy task to do. We should bear it when some of our friends say that we are outdated, geeky, or being bullied. Let us keep this in mind. Drugs or any other juvenile delinquency activities will destroy our life. Therefore, you do not need to blame the parents or any other person, but yourself alone must be able to keep yourself and can choose which one are good and which are bad. Choose environment and friends hanging selectively. Do not just happy if the environment that will plunge you better not approach him at all. Many slang positive places that you can choose both at school and outside the school environment. Juvenile delinquency is hard to be eliminated, but we can overcome that if we are motivated to stay away from those harmful actions. Let us fill our teenage lives with positive activity that will be beneficial for family, nation, and our beloved country. Thank you for attention. See you.